Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin, Global Account Manager from Lenovo. Back again, I got another unboxing video. More stuff for my battle kit. So if you've been following along in this series, this time they sent me some accessories to unbox. So let's go ahead and take a look at these, what they sent me. So I already opened this up so I know what's inside of here. Some of these we've seen already. So of course the thermal detonator, otherwise known as the 360 VoIP speaker camera, is already been done, so we don't need to unbox that one. Also in the kit was a Lenovo powered USB-C travel hub. We've already unboxed that one, so that one we can link to also. But finally, the third one in the kit, I've done a demo of the pre-production version of this, so I'm looking forward to getting this open. Some of my colleagues have this. They say they're impressed with how loud it is and how great it works for conference calls. So we're going to go ahead and open up the Lenovo 700 Ultraportable Bluetooth Speaker today, and let's see what it sounds like. So with that, let's open this up and get started. I've been using the 360 VoIP speaker. I had been using another one from another product that we were reselling as a third party from Jabra. I switched over to the VoIP 360. It's been getting great reviews from everybody when I turn on the camera, both to see what I look like. It's got all the different modes, but also, you know, the audio quality is really good. So this serves a similar function, much sleeker, of course, much easier to travel with, and no video, but it's going to be a speaker phone, probably for most people is how they're going to use this. If you're heading to the beach, you know, of course, it's great. It's got that too, but primarily this is going to be a Bluetooth speaker, probably for conference calls. So let's go ahead, see what this looks like. We'll try popping it onto my laptop here a second. So this is the box. Looks really nice, retail packaging. Here's the speaker, incredibly thin, of course, and it's all speakered on top. So I've heard from my colleagues how loud this gets. We'll try that out. And then we'll see what else is in the box here. So there's that. Let's take a look at this. So obviously it's going to come with a USB to USB-C cable and a strap. So carry strap. I guess that's going to hook on the end here. So let's go ahead, plug this into this laptop, and we'll see how the audio sounds. So we'll open this cable up. Let's check the specs just while we're talking about this. So it says it's got Bluetooth 5.0 hooked up to it. So obviously you don't need the cable if you don't. It's probably easier to use the cable just because it's going to charge it at the same time. It's got 360-degree sound quality, has touch control panels, and a voice assistant built into it. I'm losing the track here. Okay, here's the USB-C plug here. So we'll put that there. We'll pop open the laptop like this. See what this looks like. Pop this in here. Open this up. Let's make sure it connects. USB there. Got some audio. Let's try making sure we're on here. No, there must be a power button. We're all learning this together. Oh, here we go. Here's power right on top. Okay, looks like it's charging. Let's try and play some sound here. Let's do a MP3, I guess. Let's see what we got in here. Or MP3. Let's do a YouTube. Let's go to www.youtube.com/Thomas Vanderkin. Check out this guy's website. Hey, there he is. Make sure you hit subscribe when you get here, of course, is the first thing you want to do. Let's check out this video. Let's see if the sound plays through here. So, not getting any yet. Oh, we're not on. Volume up. Let's see. Are we on? Are we connected? Oh. There we go. Lenovo's field sales reps all get access to a battlekit. Just like I'm a Kirby salesman back from the day, you gotta have something to show off to your customers so they know what they're getting. So they send us all samples. So I'm not sure how well that came through, but obviously you could hear it was plenty loud on my side, sounded great. Easy to configure, plugged in, ready to go. You saw me first time I opened it up. We're always going through this together, but I thought it worked great. So that's it. Just a quick introduction. Again, the Lenovo 700 Ultra Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and we'll check you guys again next time. Thanks, everybody.